My name is Tim Schlichting. I work for the Reynolds company in Greenville, South Carolina. We currently have about 92 employees that use Qualtrax. Previously, before we were on Qualtrax, we did all of our nonconformance reporting based on a sheet of ditto paper that we filled in and then had made multiple copies to send to different departments, and it was hard to keep control of that because all the copies would go out. So now with Qualtrax, we have that all electronic, and we can actually assign it to people, have them do what they need to do, and then have a completed copy within the system. Since we started using Qualtrax, one of the large areas that we used to get a nonconformance on, a minor nonconformance, was our training, because we did it in a manual way where every test was actually put into each individual personnel file. And on review, the auditor would always find, a T not crossed or an I not dotted, or someone didn't put pass or didn't initial. Now we can actually pull a report for all the completed documentation on one report for them to look at, and it's just a lot easier and less paperwork. A way in which Qualtrax has helped reduce our time to be ready for an audit is the fact that I can now go in and do reporting by department, whether it be an external or internal NCRs, and then I can actually have that all done on a report type system for the auditor. And then if he wants to look at certain numbers, then all we have to do is go into Qualtrax and pull up that number for him to look at and review. In the chemical industry, most companies need to be ISO certified in some way, and I would recommend it based on the fact that they can really keep a tight control on their documentation, their nonconformance reporting, and then also their training.